After spending most of my life convincing myself that soulmates don't exist, it's hard to deny that you're my soulmate without question, are you, Bami? From hiding our relationship in church, to you joining the choir just because of me, to you missing the bus on purpose, so that you can spend more time with me at the bus stop, only to get home and receive beatings from your mum because you were late.
You're doing this out of your free will, promising to love your family with all of your heart. Do I get a yes or yes to that? Sorosoke? Yes.
Bami, throughout all these years, you've become my lover, my companion. You're not the norm, you're not rare, you're one of one, and most importantly, you're mine.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you.